Hey everyone, and welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Michelle, and today I'm going to be taking out my hair, and I'm going to also be showing you guys in pieces because this is not going to happen all day. I have work in a few hours, so I'm only going to be able to show you guys half, which is just taking down my hair, and then I'll come back and record the rest tomorrow and show you guys the maintenance part of how I'm going to revive my curls and figure out what style I'll do next. But for the most part, I believe I've kept these in for over a month. No, almost 2 months. Yeah, this will probably be the 6th week. I will have the exact dates written at the bottom of the description box, like right here on the screen, how long I've had these in. I love them, but they're feeling a little heavy, and it's time for me to take them out because my scalp has not been washed. I refreshed and I cleansed it with that. That was like a temporary fix, but we need to fix the problem. My hair really needs to be thoroughly cleansed, thoroughly loved, and yeah, that's what I'm going to show you guys. So please continue watching.
Listen, if you had your braids in for past 4 weeks and your braids starting to look like this, honey, you can push it for another 2 weeks or 3 weeks, but do not go past that. I'm sorry, I don't care. That you're doing the most. And them braids need to come out. They need to be redone. Your hair needs to be taken care of. Get them braids out. Get them braids out. Stop trying to hold on to them daggone braids. Get them out.
My hair actually feels really soft and moisturized. It doesn't feel like dry. It looks dry, but it doesn't feel dry while I'm taking down my braids. I needed to do I need to let you guys know that and not do a voiceover because I probably wouldn't have remembered to say that, but yeah, she feels really, really good. Like, I can't wait to wash it and just let her, I guess, remain in its curly state for a bit. But I'm either going to do twist on my hair again, my natural hair again, or I'm going to do another braided protective style. Not that I don't have any shedding. Like, I really don't have a lot of shedding from taking down these braids, which is awesome. Like, really awesome. But I haven't went into detangle yet, so we'll see. But so far, I literally have very little to no shedding. So it took me about an hour to take out this side, so I'm obviously trying to make sure I keep that time the same, another hour, because I do have to work today, and I'm not going to be styling my hair any type of cute way. It's just going to be something simple just to get me through the work day, and that's it. But yeah, no in-depth tutorial today, but I definitely will be doing that tomorrow. So some of these braids are like pulling on my scalp, like I can feel it while I'm taking them out. So what you could do is just hold your hand right here, just to avoid like those pins and needles on your scalp. But just to avoid like pulling out any hair from your scalp that you don't necessarily intentionally want to do. So just hold it and go back and forth. But yeah, that means that it's been time to take these out. Or redo them. But yeah, definitely take them out.
I'm going to be detoxifying my hair with the Aztec clay mask, oil, and a steamer. Select your tools of choice and a microfiber towel. I prefer doing this detox with apple cider vinegar, but I didn't have any on hand, so I just used water. I'm actually using purified water from a filter and then my steamer, just so that it helps open my cuticles more so that the product can actually absorb better. Make sure to detangle as you go. I prefer to do this process first before applying my detox mask. And you are going to probably still have some shed hair within your roots that you see me pulling out, because yeah, I want to make sure it's all completely gone. Now I'm moving on to my steamer, and I'm just using this to, like I said, open my cuticles more before applying my detox mask. I don't know about you, but I feel like anytime I use purified water, like from the filter on my hair to wet it, I feel like it absorbs, my hair absorbs the water better, and the products actually work a lot better. Look at all that shed hair. But yeah, I just wanted to say, I think that for those who are still using water from the faucet, if it doesn't have a purifier on it, then that could be a reason also why your hair it just could be a lot of cause for a lot of problems. So I just started using purified water. I'm finally done detangling my hair and removing all of the shed hair I had from those braids for the last 7 weeks. Next, I'm moving on to applying my hair detox. My mask got pretty stiff, so I just added a bit of purified water and then remixed it until I got a nice paste. Like I said, I usually prefer apple cider vinegar because the mask actually turns out a lot smoother. But when you use like water, it gives you that clumpy like vibe, and I'm not with it. But my hair needed a detox, so I had to be with it. Beggars can't be choosers. Make sure you rub it against your scalp, that detox. Use it as like a cleanser or scrub, but I like to rub it against my scalp and throughout my entire strands of hair. I leave not 1 inch untouched on my head when it comes to detoxifying my hair. I'm not playing games, y'all. Make sure you keep the detox on until it's hard, and then you will rinse it out. For me, my scalp still looked dirty and my hair still felt like heavy with oil, so I cleansed it with a sulfate-free shampoo. But I also have to make sure that I coat my hair with a detangling solution or just some type of conditioner, because I don't wash my hair strands on dry hair. That's what I don't do. I'm really making sure that I scrub my scalp very gently, but really concentrating on my scalp care, because like I have to make sure that my scalp feels clean. Like it feels clean, it's not itchy, it's not dirty, and it's, you know, well taken care of. Next, I'm moving on to making sure that I do my regular treatment and I leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes under the dryer, and I will be rinsing that out as well. Also, another tip, anytime you're applying your conditioners, especially thick cream conditioners, since I'm not in the shower, which I prefer to be in the shower whenever I'm applying my conditioners, because the water helps to just like keep my hair open, my cuticles open, so my products are absorbing more. Make sure that you're not just like expecting the product to just penetrate your hair. I have so many people come up to me and be like, well, I do this and I do that and I do this with my conditioner. And I'm like, are you making sure that your hair is literally saturated with water? If you're not making sure your hair is saturated with water when you apply thick creams, like you know what I'm saying, butters, creams, or anything like that, your hair is not going to really absorb that product. You need to make sure that your hair is thoroughly saturated with water before applying that product. And then when you do apply that product, if it still feel like you cannot go through it with a comb, reapply some more water. Simple. Just reapply some more water. So I detoxified my hair, my scalp is cleansed, my hair is cleansed, and now I'm going in with my favorite go-to stylers and some hair tools that I usually use. I'm gonna let you guys sit and watch the rest of this video. I don't really need to go in depth of any explaining. If you want to watch and see how I actually get my wash and go to look the way it does, I have a few videos on my channel. I will also leave it in the description box, and I also have a short on my page where you can actually watch how to master wash and go and the products that I use if you're interested in that. But like I said, I think you guys heard enough of me talking, and if you love when I talk, then just leave some comments in the comments box below and be like, we love your voiceovers, keep doing more, and I will do more for you. But other than that, I'm gonna let you guys finish watching the rest of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, comments, and likes. And I'll see you all again in my next video. And by the way, I'm not going to be dressing up at the end of this video, FYI, just to let you know, because your girl was pressed for time and I had to be to work. Okay, bye. Love you.